Breaking news this hour: three students have been shot, and one was unfortunately succumbed to his injuries. This is Crime Stories SA. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Three students were shot, and one was shot dead on the spot by a staff member, the residence manager, allegedly at the Walter Sisulu University in Umtata in the Eastern Cape main campus. After that, a violent riot emerged as the students are protesting. Now they want the staff member out, and it is alleged that a vehicle of the staff member has been burned down into flames. It is not clear as to who is responsible for burning down, but it is alleged that the students are responsible for it. The police have been called since, and they are trying to manage the situation, which keeps escalating even worse. This is Crime Stories SA. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.